Assalamu alaikum students. You are welcome here in the second session of surface area and volume. In part 1 we discuss what is surface area, what is volume, and for which shapes we have to find surface area and volume. Today in the second part of this chapter, this topic, we have to discuss, we have to define all solid shapes. We have to define all solid shapes. So my dear students, let me start from the first solid shape, which is cube. The name of this solid shape is cube. So first of all, I will show you how to draw the cube. Cube is drawn. First of all, you have to draw a square. Okay, from the center of the square, you have to draw one more square of the same size. There should not be any difference between the length of the sides of these two squares. Then after, you have to join the corresponding vertices. After joining these corresponding vertices, the solid shape that you will get here, this is called a cube. So then after, I will write it as a definition. It is a solid shape. It is a solid shape having 6 faces. First, you just see the 6 faces: top face, bottom face, front, back, right and left. These are its 6 faces, 8 vertices. Let us check these 8 vertices. First vertex, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh and 8 vertices and 12 edges. See these 12 edges: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. It's all the faces are identical. It's all the faces are identical. Identical means एक जैसे. It's each face is square based. इसका हर कोई फेस स्क्वायर जैसा ही है. If the length of the side of each square is A, then lateral surface area is equal. As I have told you that lateral surface area means area of the side faces. और साइड में इसके 4 फेसेस हैं. फ्रंट है, बैक, राइट एंड लेफ्ट फेस. अगर हमें पता है इसका हर कोई फेस स्क्वायर जैसा है, तो स्क्वायर का एरिया मैं बता दूंगा यहां पर. एरिया ऑफ स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू साइड इनटू साइड. If the length of side of square is A, then area will be A into A. That is A square. So my dear students, what is the area of its front face? It is A square. What is the area of its back face? That will also be A square, because all faces are identical. What will be the area of its right face? That is again A square. What is the area of its left face? That also is a square. So how many a squares are here added? This is called a repeated addition. And repeated addition means multiplication. It is 4 times a square. It is 4a square. In the same time, I will tell you one more additional point. If I will add here 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4, this is called a repeated addition. And a repeated addition means multiplication. You have to write it as multiplication form as 4 is added how many times? 5 times 4. If wrongly you will write 4 times 5, then you are wrong. 5 times 4 is right, but 4 times 5 is wrong. This is not the way of repeated addition, conversion into multiplication. इस चीज को याद रखना. तो चलिए बेटा, अब फाइनली क्या कंक्लूड किया आपने? Lateral surface area of square is equal to, lateral surface area of cube is equal to 4a square. मैंने बता दिया ये कैसे है. Now it is total surface area. In the previous video lecture, I have told you that total surface area is calculated as lateral surface area plus area of remaining faces. Area of remaining faces. Lateral surface area of this cube is 4a square. Which faces are now remaining? Top and bottom. What is the shape of these faces? Again square. And what is the length of each side of this square? Again a. Therefore, this is a square plus a square. This is top face area, bottom face area. 4a square plus 5a square plus 6a square is the total surface area of cube. Now, calculation of its volume. The volume of cube is calculated. As you know, it is 3D shape. And its 3 dimensions are length into breadth into height. This is the calculation of the volume of cube. Length into breadth into height. What the length of cube is? It is a. What the breadth of cube is? This is again a, because it is the side of square. Into what the height of cube is? This is again a. It also is the length of side of cube. So a into a means a cube. This also you know, when bases are same, in the form of multiplication powers are added. Power 1, 2 and 3. This is about the cube. Again, first I said how to draw the cube. You have to draw a square. Then you have to take one more square of same size from the center of the first square. Then you have to join its corresponding vertices. After that you will get a cube. Then you have to write its definition. It is a solid shape having 6 faces, 8 vertices and 12 edges. I have shown you its faces, its vertices and its edges. All the faces are identical. एक जैसे हूबहू. Each face is square based. If the length of the side of each square is a, then because I said each face is square based, lateral surface area means area of the side faces. Total surface area means lateral surface area plus area of remaining faces. And volume means the multiplication product of all the 3 dimensions. And the dimensions are length, breadth and height. But in cube, length, breadth and height all are same. So it is, if each is a, then the volume is a cube. This is about a cube and its lateral surface area, total surface area and volume. After cube we have second shape, second solid shape, that is called cuboid. So second one is cuboid. Number 2, it is cuboid. Let me draw cuboid first so that you will understand it how to draw the cuboid. First you have to draw a rectangle. And you know the dimensions of rectangle are length and breadth. These are the dimensions of rectangle. From the same rectangle, you have to, from the center of this rectangle, you have to draw one more rectangle of the same size, and that rectangle is second one. Then after you have to join its corresponding vertices. After joining the corresponding vertices, the solid shape that you will get is called cuboid. This is a cuboid. This cuboid will be defined as it is a solid shape. It is a solid shape having 6 faces, likewise cube. The 6 faces you can easily get: top, bottom, front, back, left and right. 8 vertices. These 8 vertices are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. And 12 edges. Its 12 edges are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. Its opposite, इतना तो क्यूब में भी था, its opposite faces are identical. In the cube we said its all faces are identical, but here in the cuboid I said its opposite faces are identical. Front, back, these are the opposite faces and they are identical. Top, bottom, they are identical. Left, right, they are identical. Its each face is rectangular based. Its each face is rectangular based. इसका हर कोई फेस रेक्टेंगुलर होता है. Its opposite edges are equal. Its opposite edges are equal. So my dear students, if L is the length of cuboid, B is the breadth, H is the height, then lateral surface area is equal. As I have told you that lateral surface area means area of side faces. So let us start the area of side faces. The first side face is its front. And in the front, which dimensions are involved? Length and height. So the area of front will be length into height. As it is a rectangular in shape, तो रेक्टेंगल का एरिया हम लेते हैं ना प्रोडक्ट ऑफ बोथ द टू डायमेंशंस. और इसके फ्रंट में जैसे कि आप देखिए बेटा, यही मैं ये वॉल लेता हूं जिस रूम में मैं पढ़ाता हूं, इसका तो ये साइड वाले फेस का एरिया निकाले. दिस इज लेंथ एंड दिस इज हाइट. तो ये लेंथ इनटू हाइट आता है फ्रंट फेस का. जो एरिया फ्रंट का होगा वही तो बैक का भी होता है, क्योंकि इसके अपोजिट फेसेस आइडेंटिकल हैं। सो प्लस विल बी लेंथ इनटू हाइट, अपोजिट। अब हम साइड फेस का एरिया निकालेंगे। इसमें ये ब्रेडथ है एक साइड और दूसरा साइड हाइट है। दिस इज प्लस ब्रेडथ इनटू हाइट। और सेम एरिया विल बी इन द लेफ्ट फेस। दिस इज प्लस breadth into height. Then it is length into height plus length into height, it is twice. That is twice length into height plus this one is also breadth into height plus breadth into height, and you can write it twice breadth into height. As 2 and h is the common in both, you can now write it twice h into L plus V. This also is the correct form of lateral surface area of cuboid. But as we know, cuboid is rectangular based. तो cuboid का जो lateral surface area है, that is twice length plus breadth. That means perimeter of rectangle multiplied by the height of rectangle. And this is the general form of lateral surface area of cuboid, twice length plus breadth into height. And you should note this thing, twice length plus breadth means perimeter of rectangle. Now total surface area. What is the total surface area of rectangle? This cuboid, total surface area means, जो मैंने पहले भी बता दिया, लेटरल सरफेस एरिया प्लस एरिया ऑफ रिमेनिंग फेसेस। लेटरल सरफेस एरिया बेटा इसका हमने क्या लिखा? दिस इज ट्वाइस लेंथ प्लस ब्रेडथ इनटू हाइट प्लस एरिया ऑफ रिमेनिंग फेसेस। रिमेनिंग में अब दो फेस रह गए, एक बॉटम एक टॉप। बॉटम का एरिया आएगा लेंथ इनटू ब्रेडथ, दिस इज लेंथ इनटू ब्रेडथ। और टॉप का भी यही आएगा, ट्वाइस दिस लेंथ इनटू ब्रेडथ। दिस बिलोंग्स एज, आई कैन elaborate this one, twice length into height plus twice breadth into height plus length into breadth plus length into breadth is twice length into breadth. Only 2 is common here. I can take 2 common. The value is now length into height plus breadth into height plus length into breadth. Or you can write twice length into breadth. You know addition is commutative. आप order change करके भी लिख सकते हैं. Twice length into breadth plus breadth into height plus length into height. This is the total surface area of cuboid. Now volume of cuboid. How can you calculate volume of cuboid? Volume is length into breadth into height, product of all the 3 dimensions of this cuboid. So my dear students, I hope that आपको ये दोनों सॉलिड शेप्स समझ आए होंगे। सिर्फ 2 शेप्स हमने डिस्कस किए, एक हमने डिस्कस किया क्यूब और दूसरा हमने डिस्कस किया क्यूबॉइड। और नेक्स्ट वीडियो में हम आगे बढ़ेंगे। थैंक यू वेरी मच।